If you're struggling to log into your Hotmail account or keep ending up on the wrong page, this video is going to clear everything up. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to sign in safely, quickly, and access your Hotmail inbox without any confusion. Stick with me till the end because I'll also show you how to troubleshoot login issues most people still face. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, anything you like. Just make sure it's updated. An outdated browser can cause login errors or security warnings that stop you from signing in properly. Next, in the address bar, type outlook.live.com. This is the official Microsoft login page for both Outlook and old Hotmail accounts. If you're unsure, you can simply search for Outlook login and click the official Microsoft link at the top. Once you're on the page, look at the top right corner and click Sign In. Now enter your full email address, whether it ends with @hotmail.com or @outlook.com. Hotmail accounts still work the same in 2025. They're just managed inside Outlook's interface. After that, you'll be asked for your password. If you want to double check what you're typing, use the Show Password icon. This helps avoid mistakes, especially on smaller keyboards. If you forgot your password, don't panic. Click the Forgot Password option and Microsoft will guide you through verifying your identity. You may receive a code through your recovery email or phone number. Follow the prompts, reset your password, and you're back in. Once you successfully sign in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage. From here, click Inbox on the left panel to access your emails. Take a moment to explore the interface, your inbox, sent items, drafts, plus extra tools like calendar, contacts, and the to-do list. These features help you stay organized and make your Hotmail account much more powerful than before. And that's your complete login guide. Simple, secure, and beginner-friendly. If this walkthrough helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.